how many of you have cash 300,000 to 500,000 on hand? Siapa ada? Ambil tangan. How many of you? Okay, Dato ada? Lagi? Who have 300,000 or 500,000 on hand now? Not much, right? You see? Not much, huh? Alright. You know why? Some of you, maybe you are 30 years old, some is 40 years old, some is 50 years old, right? But why still don't have 3 to 500,000? Is it because most of our money that we earn, kita spend, kita sudah spend, betul tak? Then we use up already. So kita susah mau dapat cash on hand, right? This is not joke, you know. I already checked the survey. Actually, more than 90%, population in Malaysia don't have this kind of amount, right? So and also statistics show that kalau sekarang unemployment rate sudah tinggi, orang yang boleh tahan 3 bulan tak sampai 20%. Faham tak? So sekarang cari duit susah sikit. So what we need now? Kita mau satu barang, satu investment yang boleh for us to accumulate kita punya asset and dapat itu duit, betul tak? So if today I ask you to buy one property to expect this kind of return, you feel like very normal, everywhere also got. But today we're going to sell you one plan, alright? This plan is how we're using 1,000 to make 300 to 500,000 for them within the 10 years. And within these 10 years, you don't need to pay anything. Alright? Maybe the voice can turn down the voice. Okay? So who want to join this plan? Raise your hand. 99% one, huh? Alright? So 99% one because of you don't have the 300,000 to 500,000 on hand currently, right? So today, I can tell you very simple. The market is not good. Market good or not? Market not good, right? So market not good. Then as a consumer, we have an opportunity, right? Like I mentioned just now, your friend who work more than 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, they cannot accumulate their cash in Taiwan. I'm sure they don't have, right? But how are we going to help them? How are we going to have one plan for them to have this opportunity? Let's say you are 24 years old this year, example. Imagine within 30 years old, you got 3 to 500,000 cash in bank plus one asset. Okay or not? Okay. You may aim to make 1 million or 500,000 a year, but all your money you will spend up, I'm sure. Buying your car, paying your repayment, everything, but you can't save your money. So this is what people are facing now. They can't save the money. So now we have one plan. We give one plan. This is because this developer, they give us a very special plan. We only have about 100 units, alright? What is this plan? This plan is you just pay 1,000, but you must manage to get the bank loan, property loan, right? So we are leveraging bank to own this plan. I'm not asking you to pay cash to own this plan. You must manage to get about 550,000 property loan. Property loan 550,000. Alright? Then you don't need to pay anything. You just need to pay a little bit installment later. I will share to you. For the next 10 years, from today until the next 10 years, you don't need to pay anything. The rest, developer will pay for you. Right?